This place, I call it the Whispering Path, a passageway carved not by machines, but by time, by seasons, and by the patience of nature herself. Each tree is a quiet witness, standing guard over the travelers who pass through, and each step I take here feels lighter, more graceful, as if the earth itself is guiding me forward. I'm wrapped in a sense of freedom. My red jacket, a spark of warmth against the green and brown embrace of the forest, and these stockings serve one Capritan, a touch of Parisian elegance, even in the wildness. They remind me that beauty doesn't have to be reserved for the city, for the streets, or the stage. It belongs here to along the winding path beneath the open sky. There's a harmony in contrast, the softness of sealskins, the strength of nature, the sharpness of heels clicking on uneven ground, the vibrant red against smooth green, each different, create balance, and balance creates peace. As I stand here, I'm reminded that life too is a path, sometimes wide, sometimes uncertain, but always leading somewhere. And just like here, it isn't the destination that matters most, but how we carry ourselves along the way. So I walk forward with elegance, with presence, and with gratitude, because every step, no matter how small, is part of my story. And this is my whispering path. Kind of a hot day, and I didn't bring my trench coat to keep me warm. I have a little tweed jacket. This is one, and this color bright my video, you guys. I'm really happy to bring the color, such a strong color like this red one. And this dress, you guys, I really love this. This dress is flower pattern, matching with this tweed jacket. Tweed jacket. Yes, tweed jacket. And I will. That's a very nice. I like that.